Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot CRM to RingCentral for ticket to contact mapping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot CRM to RingCentral for ticket to contact mapping, first, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the integrations settings from your dashboard. In the integrations section, search for the RingCentral integration. Click on the RingCentral option to open the integration details. Follow the prompts to install the RingCentral integration. Once installed, you will need to authenticate your RingCentral account. Enter your RingCentral login credentials in the provided fields. Allow HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your RingCentral account. After successful authentication, return to the integration settings. Locate the ticket to contact mapping feature within the RingCentral integration settings. Click on the settings to configure your mapping preferences. Select the HubSpot ticket properties that you want to sync with RingCentral contacts. Map these properties to the corresponding fields in RingCentral. Review your mappings to ensure accuracy. After confirming your mappings, save your settings. Next, test the integration by creating a new ticket in HubSpot. Verify that the ticket information syncs correctly to your RingCentral contacts. If you encounter any issues, revisit your mapping settings to troubleshoot. Once everything is set up correctly, you'll streamline your ticket to contact mapping process. Congratulations, you've successfully connected HubSpot CRM to RingCentral for effective ticket management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.